Bonfire Night. On the 5th of November 1605, a man called Guy Fawkes tried to kill King James I of England in the Houses of Parliament. He went into the cellars and tried to blow up the building with gunpowder. But the king's men found Guy Fawkes and arrested him. Now, children in Britain celebrate Guy Fawkes Day on the 5th of November. They make a guy with old clothes and ask a penny for the guy. Then they put a guy on a bonfire and light fireworks. They eat jacket potatoes, hot dogs, and toffee apples. Remember, the 5th of November, gunpowder, treason and plot. I see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgotten.